Hi guys, welcome back to RB channel once again with Rashid, and today I'm on my way to Salalah inshallah for just 2 days for a small period of time, and we are just crossing the border inshallah, and I cannot capture the picture in the border. Let's see you in Oman, guys. Hi guys, and I'm back. We have just crossed the border from Dubai, then Oman, because I could not capture the picture from there because it's not allowed, first of all. And yes, we are moving forward. I'm going to show you the front view. It's an amazing place. It's a bit of hot now, the weather, and I'm going to show you the front view. Guys, we have reached to Marbella now, and after driving 6 hours, 7 hours more to go to Salalah inshallah, and amazing trip, yeah. And the weather, it seems being changed, and it's like very beautiful, cloudy, and let's see what comes in Salalah now. I'm going to show you the front view. Hi guys, we have stopped over. We are looking for a SIM card because we have missed the route for Salalah, and it's evening 5:15, and my friends, they went to check in SIM card, Omani SIM card, to come back and to track the way inshallah. Let's see what time we are going to reach, because I think so 6 hours more to go. From morning 10 we are driving till now, and we have reached to the sea in the city. We are looking for the SIM card. Let's see, they will come back inshallah. And thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing the channel and liking the videos and sharing it with your friends. Thank you so much guys, appreciate it. Guys, we have reached all the way, driving from morning till now. It's 9 o'clock, and I'm going to 150. So we are moving forward still to Salalah. We are moving to Salalah, and we are refueling the car at the station now, and still 6 hours more to go. It's very far, but it's beautiful and amazing weather outside. चालू कर पहले 1 नंबर चालू बस Guys, we have reached in Salalah and it's morning 4:30. The weather is very beautiful. You cannot see the mountains. Entire mountain is covered with the fog. Look at these beautiful green grasses. We are just waiting for the sunrise. Look at this entire road is covered with the fog. It's very beautiful place. Very amazing. This is the front view. You can see the car glass. It's totally covered with the fog. It's impossible to see anything in front of us. We are just moving on 5 kilometers. Amazing.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever.